Alright, this is just another iCloud core data video demonstrating how we delay activating user interface until the iCloud store has been enabled. So I've just started up the app and it's just synchronizing with the files that are in iCloud. It'll just take a few seconds. Now the reason we're doing this is because we want a couple of files in the simulator that we're going to open in the simulator that haven't yet had a chance to download logs from iCloud. So we can actually show how we delay the user interface, or delay enabling the user interface until such time as the core data switches to the iCloud store. Right, so here you can see I've just opened one of the files and it's just loaded up data from another device, and then it enabled the menus. And here again, just demonstrating doing that again with another file. So the user interface is basically active, but the user can't actually interact with it. And we're showing activity indicators while things are loading in the background. If you look carefully in the background, you can see some of the logging going on in Xcode. Alright, and now it's activated the user interface and we've loaded the logs. Now you'll note that in that last one it actually merged data from another device after the user interface was enabled. So we're not able to tell when all the data is loaded, but we are able to detect when sufficient data is loaded to activate the user interface. Okay, we're just going to show that again. This time we're going to pick files that take a little bit longer to download. So I'm just going to open up a file. See, this file's already been downloaded, so it switches to the iCloud store pretty quickly. This file hasn't, so there's quite a long delay. You can see that it's currently got the fallback store open, but the fallback store doesn't actually have any data in it. So the file open call is completed, but we're still waiting for a notification that the store is being switched. We only wait for this notification if iCloud is actually on, so we know that we're expecting a switch to the iCloud store. And there you go, we've just switched to the iCloud store and we're then able to retrieve data. We'll do one more. Again there, we've opened to the fallback store, so depending on your app you could actually allow the user to enter data now. In my particular case this would cause all kinds of problems. So we have to wait until the master copy is imported. Now usually this is not going to be a problem. Users would soon be able to work out that if they've created a document on one device, they really have to wait for it to import on the other device before they can actually start using it effectively. And there we go, we're pretty much done.